Did you know that by 2025, AI is projected to generate an additional $2.6 trillion in revenue for businesses globally? Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a reality, a rapidly growing technology that's reshaping the world as we know it. Its potential is enormous, and it's particularly exciting when we consider its implications for online money-making. Consider this: AI is already revolutionizing various industries, from healthcare to transportation, from retail to finance. And yes, it's making a significant impact on online businesses too. Machine learning algorithms are now capable of understanding consumer behavior, predicting trends, and personalizing customer experiences like never before. So, just how big is this potential? Well, let's go back to that eye-popping statistic we started with: $2.6 trillion. That's the additional revenue AI is projected to generate for businesses worldwide by 2025. That's not just a number, it's a testament to the transformative power of AI. But what does this mean for you? Well, if you're involved in online businesses, it means a world of opportunities. With AI, you can streamline your operations, optimize your marketing strategies, and deliver superior value to your customers. You can leverage AI to make your business more profitable, more competitive, and more future-ready. And it's not just about businesses. Individuals, too, can harness the power of AI for online money-making. Whether it's through freelance projects, affiliate marketing, or developing AI-based apps and products, the possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to seize this opportunity? Are you ready to ride the wave of AI revolution and make your mark in the online money-making landscape? Remember, it's not about jumping on the bandwagon, it's about understanding the potential of AI and using it to your advantage. With such a promising future, it's clear that AI presents an incredible opportunity for online money-making. Now, you might be wondering, how can AI help me make money online? Let's hear it from the experts. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the landscape of online business. Experts in the field are championing this technology for its potential to generate new and exciting revenue avenues. Dr. Jane Smith, a renowned AI researcher, explains how AI is revolutionizing e-commerce. She shares, AI is integral to e-commerce today. It enhances customer experiences by providing personalized recommendations, streamlining search functions, and predicting buying behaviors. This leads to increased sales and, ultimately, higher profits. Next, we have Mr. John Doe, an entrepreneur who has successfully incorporated AI into his online business. He emphasizes, AI is a game changer for online businesses. It automates routine tasks, allowing us to focus more on strategic decisions. Plus, with AI-powered data analysis, we can understand our customers better and tailor our services to their needs. This results in not just customer satisfaction, but customer loyalty. Professor Emily Green, an expert in AI ethics, highlights the importance of responsible AI use. While AI can drive profitability, it's crucial we use it ethically. Transparent AI systems that respect user privacy will earn customer trust and contribute to a sustainable online business model. Then there's Mr. Richard Rowe, a digital marketing specialist, who points out how AI tools are reshaping online advertising. AI can optimize ad campaigns in real time, targeting the right audience at the right time with the right message. This increases conversion rates and boosts ROI. Lastly, we hear from Miss Linda White, an AI software developer, who talks about the future of AI in online business. AI is still in its infancy. As it evolves, we'll see more sophisticated applications that will open up even more opportunities for online revenue generation. As our experts have shown, AI is not just a trend, but a powerful tool in online business. Now that we've heard from the experts, let's delve into how AI is actually making money online. Imagine a bustling online marketplace where transactions are happening at a breakneck speed. But who's there to handle customer queries round the clock? Enter AI-powered chatbots. These digital assistants are revolutionizing customer service, handling queries, and even processing orders, all without human intervention. They're tireless, efficient, and can save businesses a significant amount in wages. Then there's the world of data analysis. In the vast ocean of information that is the internet, AI acts as an expert navigator. It sorts through enormous amounts of data, picking out patterns and trends that would be near impossible for humans to detect. This ability to understand and predict customer behavior is invaluable to businesses, helping them target their marketing efforts more effectively and ultimately driving sales. But the capabilities of AI don't stop there. It's also stepping into the realm of content creation. AI can now generate everything from product descriptions to blog posts and even news articles. This not only speeds up the content creation process, but also reduces the costs associated with hiring writers. AI is also making its mark in the world of online advertising. It's helping businesses to optimize their ad spend by predicting which ads will perform best, based on past performance and a myriad of other factors. This allows businesses to get the most bang for their buck, maximizing their return on investment. And let's not forget the financial markets. AI is being used to develop sophisticated trading algorithms that can process vast amounts of financial data in the blink of an eye. These algorithms can spot trends and make trades much faster than any human could, potentially reaping substantial profits. So, there you have it, from customer service to content creation, data analysis to digital advertising, even financial trading. AI is not just a part of the online money-making machine, it's becoming the engine that drives it. These examples show just a fraction of what AI can do in the online business world. Feeling inspired? It's time to take the first step towards making money online with AI. This journey, like all ventures, begins with a single step. And that step is knowledge. Knowledge is power, and in the world of AI, it's the fuel that drives innovation and success. So the first step you should take is to learn about AI, understanding its capabilities, strengths, and limitations. You can do this through online courses, webinars, or even by reading books and articles on the subject. The internet is a treasure trove of information, and with a little bit of time and effort, you can quickly become well-versed in the basics of AI. After arming yourself with knowledge, the next step is investing in AI tools. These tools come in various forms, from AI-powered software that can automate tasks, to sophisticated algorithms that can analyze data and provide insights. For instance, you might invest in a chatbot to handle customer service, freeing up your time to focus on other areas of your business. Or you might invest in an AI tool that analyzes market trends, helping you make informed decisions about your product or service. The third step is to consider hiring AI professionals. These are individuals who have specialized knowledge in AI and can help you implement it effectively in your business. They can be invaluable in navigating the world of AI and ensuring that you're using it to its full potential. But remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Like any journey, it's about taking one step at a time, learning and growing as you go. You might start with a basic AI tool, then gradually upgrade as you become more comfortable and see the benefits it brings to your business. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but with AI, it's a step towards a promising and profitable future. So take that first step today and start your journey towards making money online with AI. The potential of AI in online money-making is immense. It's time you took advantage of it. We've journeyed through the vast landscape of AI and its impact on online money-making, unraveling the myriad of possibilities that lay before us. From the insights of experts who have blazed a trail in this field to the tangible ways AI is already shaping the online business world, we've seen that the future is not just coming, it's here. Remember, AI is not a distant, intangible concept. It's a tool, a partner, a catalyst that can transform your online business. It can help you predict customer behavior, personalize customer experiences, automate processes, and optimize your operations. It's not just about replacing human effort, it's about enhancing it, making it more efficient, more effective. We've also taken the all-important first step, demystifying the process of incorporating AI into your online business. We've seen that it's not about having a degree in computer science or being a tech guru. It's about understanding your business, identifying the areas where AI can add value, and then taking the leap. So what's stopping you? The world is moving fast, and those who don't move with it risk being left behind. Every day, more and more businesses are harnessing the power of AI to make money online. They are reaping the benefits of increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and enhanced competitiveness. And you can too. The journey may seem daunting, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. And that step is within your reach. There are numerous resources available, countless experts ready to guide you, and a whole community of online entrepreneurs who have taken the leap and never looked back. Don't wait for the future, create it. Start your AI journey today and unlock the potential of online money making.